Deanna. It's Sunday and I'm cleaning my kitchen. I have 4 of my kids here. They're in the living room playing on their video games. Talia says hello. Oh, now Taylor says hello. Anyways, I wanted to make this video to show you my latest purchases. A friend of mine, her name is Erin, she is moving. She recently got married and moving, so combining 2 households. She didn't need, please, can you guys be quiet? She did not need all of her vacuums, so she was selling 3 of them and I bought them all. A Roomba, $6.50 maybe, and a steam cleaner, a Hoover steam cleaner, and a Shark Navigator DXL, which I didn't realize isn't the lift away. I do have a lift away and I love it, but the one that I bought from her is just like an upright vacuum, lightweight upright vacuum, and it works pretty good. I cleaned it out, I bleached it, and I washed the filters. Probably gonna buy more, but yeah, it works pretty good. So anyway, today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my kitchen. It's Sunday afternoon. We're gonna go grocery shopping. And so, you know, grocery shopping, you bring tons of stuff home. So I wanna clean up the kitchen just to make sure everything is nice and tidy before we bring in a whole bunch of groceries. Because a family of 7, you know, we like to shop and we like to eat. So we bring a whole bunch of stuff home. So anyways, my kitchen floor is dirty after the weekend with 5 kids. It's pretty dirty. I haven't really swept, I've been busy. So we're gonna test that Roomba. It's that vacuum, that robotic vacuum. When I bought it, it wasn't working. My husband took it apart and monkeyed with it. I don't know what he did exactly, but it's working now. It's charging and it's working. So I'm gonna test it out today for you. Enjoy this video. So this video is supposed to be about vacuuming with the Roomba, but before I do that, I need to clean the countertops. They're pretty messy from the weekend. Having 5 kids, they're usually gunked up with ketchup, barbecue sauce, marker, paints, you name it. It's probably been stuck there. So I like to scrub it with Clorox spray bleach along with the scratch-free Comet. I scrub that really well with a wet cloth. And then the last step I like to do with the countertops, since they're granite, is I like to use Windex with just a dry rag and shine them up. Because my kitchen has a lot of natural light coming in, the Windex does a really good job shining those granite countertops up. There's my empty fruit bowl. Hopefully after we go grocery shopping, I have some fresh fruit in there. That is a voltage reader. It helped my husband fix the Roomba. So here I am just taking off the stove grates. And I clean the stove the same way as the counters. I use the Clorox spray bleach with the scratch-free Comet. And then once I get all that wiped up, I go over it one last time with the Windex. scratch-free Comet. That's pretty much what I use on the stainless steel refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. I don't use the spray bleach. There's no need to. The Comet works really well. I just put it on my damp cloth and wipe the whole thing down. And then I flip the rag over and find a clean spot where there isn't any Comet, and I wipe the Comet off, because the Comet will leave a little bit of a film on your stainless steel. So you want to make sure you get that off. But it definitely is easy and it works. And to me, it's a time saver, because before I used to use that stainless steel like polish, and you had to put it on and let it dry and then wipe it off. It just took a little bit longer. This is wipe on, wipe off pretty much. Right here, I'm gonna start cleaning up the mess at the other end of the counter. Oh, those cups are good for amusement park discounts. Bills, school papers. I'm gonna show you a book that I use to write down my daily to-do list. Anything that I don't get done, I roll over to the next day. It's been a lifesaver. I used to be so stressed out thinking I had to get everything done in one day, and I just realized I don't have to. These are just things that I saved from school. I need to get a bin. I already filled one. It's under my bed, so I need to buy another one. Just important things that my kids made at school that I don't want to get rid of. They've been sitting on the counter since June, and it's now July, mid-July. Okay, so this towel that I use and I love, it is an old burp cloth. One side is cotton, the other side is like a terry cloth, and it's long, rectangular, just a burp cloth. I don't even know where I bought it, but I like using burp cloths for cleaning. So this is the last part of the counter I need to clean, and I have empty wine bottles. Yum. My neighbor makes the best wine ever. There's a can of beans. My can opener just wouldn't open, so I need to put that away. And then I just go through the routine again, you know, the spray bleach, the Comet, and lastly the Windex. And I'm also going to wipe down the canisters that hold like flour and sugar and stuff like that, just because they're stainless steel and they get pretty, you know, they have like finger marks all over them and they get dirty too. So I'm just going to use the Comet with a little bit of water on those, because that stuff just wipes right off with the Comet and it doesn't leave any streaks.